Affiliate marketing is a popular and lucrative online business model that involves promoting products or services offered by other companies in exchange for a commission on sales. Here's a detailed explanation of why affiliate marketing is considered a lucrative online business. Low startup costs. One of the most significant advantages of affiliate marketing is that it has low barriers to entry. You don't need to create your own products, invest in inventory, or develop a complex infrastructure. The primary investment is in setting up a website or online platform, which can be relatively inexpensive. No product creation or inventory management. Unlike e-commerce businesses, affiliates don't have to worry about creating, manufacturing, or managing physical or digital products. Your role is to promote and drive traffic to existing products or services. Passive income potential. Once you set up your affiliate marketing system, it can generate passive income. If your content continues to attract visitors, you can earn commissions on sales even while you're not actively promoting products. This scalability allows for exponential income growth. Wide range of products and niches. Affiliate marketing offers the flexibility to choose from a vast array of products and niches. Whether you're interested in technology, health, finance, or lifestyle, you can find affiliate programs that align with your interests and expertise. Global reach. The internet enables you to reach a global audience, increasing your potential customer base. This can be especially advantageous when promoting products with international appeal. Performance-based income. Affiliate marketing is performance-based, meaning you earn a commission only when you successfully drive a sale or lead. This pay-for-performance structure aligns your interests with those of the companies you're promoting, making it a win-win scenario. Scalability. As your affiliate marketing business grows, you can scale by expanding your reach, creating more content, and diversifying your promotional strategies. This can lead to increased income potential. Variety of promotional methods. You've got various promotional methods at your disposal, including content marketing, social media, email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and more. This flexibility allows you to experiment and find the strategies that work best for you. Affiliate programs for every experience level. There are affiliate programs suitable for both beginners and experienced marketers. You can start with basic programs for beginners and gradually move to more complex and high-paying programs as you gain expertise. No customer support or fulfillment responsibilities. Unlike business models that require customer support and order fulfillment, affiliates are generally not responsible for customer service issues or the logistics of product delivery. This frees you from many operational tasks. Analytics and data-driven decisions. Affiliate marketers have access to valuable data and analytics, allowing them to track the performance of their campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize and increase their earnings. Reliable affiliate networks. Many reputable affiliate networks and platforms, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, offer a wide range of affiliate programs and provide a secure environment for tracking and receiving commissions. Educational resources. The affiliate marketing community provides numerous resources, forums, and educational materials to help you learn and improve your skills. Long-term potential. Affiliate marketing can offer long-term income potential. As you build a strong online presence and create valuable content, your affiliate links can continue to generate revenue over time. Risk mitigation. Since you're not heavily invested in the products or services you promote, you have less risk if a particular product or niche doesn't perform well. You can quickly pivot to other opportunities. Despite its advantages, it's important to note that affiliate marketing also requires effort, time, and skill. Success typically doesn't happen overnight, and competition can be intense in some niches. However, with dedication and a strategic approach, many people have found affiliate marketing to be a highly lucrative and sustainable online business.